Creating Success, an introduction to strategic planning. Welcome! Welcome everyone to today's engaging and insightful lecture on strategic planning. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a future business leader, or simply someone curious about the strategies that drive success, you're in the right place. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, the ability to plan strategically is an essential skill. Now, you might be wondering why strategic planning matters to you as a student. Well, consider this is not just about business, it's about life. Whether you're planning your career, managing your personal goals, or preparing for the challenges ahead, strategic planning is your key to success. So let's dive into this vital topic. In today's context, strategic planning has never been more relevant. Rapid technological advancement, globalization, and an ever-evolving marketplace have made it crucial to stay ahead of the curve. We'll explore modern strategies and adapt them to the dynamic world we live in. We'll be using a problem-based learning (PBL) approach. Rather than passive listening, I encourage you to engage actively. As we progress, you'll find this approach aligns with your university experience, where critical thinking and problem solving are paramount. One methodology we'll use today is the famous Socratic method. We'll engage in a dialogue, asking and answering questions to stimulate critical thinking. This method encourages active participation and idea exchanging. One key technique we'll implement is a SWOT analysis: strengths, weakness, opportunities, threats. This will help us dissect strategic planning by evaluating internal and external factors. It's a widely used strategy in the business world, and we'll see how it can be applied to various scenarios. To promote 21st century skills, we'll engage in group discussions, collaboration, communication, and critical thinking are vital in the modern world. By discussing real-world examples, you'll develop these crucial skills, preparing you for success in your future endeavors. We'll begin by understanding what strategic planning is and why it's important. Next, we'll delve into the 8 concepts or steps involved in creating an effective strategic plan. We'll explore case studies and examples to see how these strategies work in real life. By the end of this lecture, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to approach strategic planning with confidence. They are strategic skills, strategic planning, strategic optionality, strategic leadership, strategic alignment, strategic action, strategic screening, and strategic management. In the end, strategic planning is not just a tool for business, it's a life skill. Whether you aim to excel in your career, manage your personal life effectively, or become a leader in your field, understanding and implementing strategic planning is a key to unlocking success. So let's embark on this learning journey together. Manager. Introducing the Strategic Management Guidance System, SMGS. Navigating your organization's strategic planning. In the complex airspace of today's business environment, successful managers are keen to skill pilots, charting their organization course through turbulent markets and unforeseen challenges. Much like pilots rely on advanced navigation systems to guide their aircraft, managers now have the Strategic Management Guidance System at their disposal to ensure their organizations move toward success. Just as pilots have a cockpit filled with sophisticated instruments and data to make informed decisions during a flight, SMGS equips managers with a comprehensive set of tools and strategies to navigate their organization. Strategic skills. Just as pilots need extensive training and knowledge, Managers need strategic skills that serve as a foundational decision base for decision making. Strategic screening. In aviation, pilots rely on radar and air traffic control to screen and clear their flight path. In business, strategic screening involves filtering and evaluating opportunities to ensure they align with organization's strategic goals. Strategic planning and performance management. A good flight plan and GPS system keep pilots on course. Similarly, strategic planning and performance management help managers set clear objectives and monitor progress. Optionality strategy. Just as pilots have alternate routes in case of unexpected obstacles, this strategy enables managers to adapt quickly to changing market conditions. Strategic leadership. A captain of an aircraft sets the tone for the flight. Similarly, effective leadership is central to successful organizational navigation. Strategic alignment. Pilots ensure their aircraft is correctly balanced. Managers align their organizational resources with its strategic goals. Strategic action. Like making course corrections during a flight, strategic action allows managers to respond promptly to emerging opportunities and threats. SMGS works. The SMGS is a dynamic framework that integrates these elements much like a pilot's cockpit to provide a holistic view of an organization's strategic trajectory. It offers real-time data, scenario planning, and decision support tools, enabling managers to make informed choices as they fly their organization towards its strategic destination. Concluding, just as pilots rely on advanced systems to navigate aircraft through the skies, managers can now employ the SMGS system to pilot their organizations through the ever-changing business landscape. With a blend of strategic skills, careful planning, leadership, and adaptability, the SMGS empowers managers to chart a successful course and reach their organization goals, even in the face of turbulence. So, said this, let's review our SMGS system. We will be reviewing each step, each concept, its time framework to overview, to cross-check like pilots do, and try to maneuver, fly, and manage through these turbulent times. So, said this was Victor M. Romo, your strategic planning and performance management coach and university professor. See you in the SMGS. Goodbye.